Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to solve this question. In this question, we have 5 power b on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, we have 625 whole power b minus 1. We need to find the value of b. So it is very simple. First of all, note that 5b is added 5 times. So we have on the left hand side 5 times into 5b. So rewrite it 5 into 5b. And 625 is basically is the fourth power 4 of 5. So 625 can be written as 5 power 4 and this whole power b minus 1. Apply the power to base rule. If bases are same, then we add the powers, that is 5 is equal to b plus 1. And on the right hand side, you just multiply 4 with b and minus 1, we get 4b minus 4. Now, since bases are same on the both sides, so their exponents are or powers are also same. So we have b plus 1 is equal to 4b minus 4. Now it is just a linear equation, and we have to solve this equation by shifting 4b towards left hand side. So we have b minus 4b, and plus 1 to the right hand side, we get minus 1 minus 4. This has become minus 3b, and minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Divide minus 3 on both sides, we get on the right hand side we get just b, since minus 3 is cancelled with minus 3, and on the right hand side we get 5 minus 5 divided by minus 3. Cancel out the negative signs, we get the final answer is 5 by 3. That's the answer. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe the channel, share it.